Hello, this is question 10, and the question type of this question is like, you can just say application. So a group of 202 people went on an overnight camping trip, taking 60 tents with them. Some of the tents held 2 people each, and the rest held 4 people each. Assuming all the tents were filled to capacity and every person got to sleep in a tent, exactly how many of the tents were two-person tents? So it said everyone got to sleep in a tent, so the sum of the number, it will be 202, and the tent has only 60. So let's say that the person who use a tent with the other person, so it means like one tent there's only 2 people. Let's say the number of people is people 2, okay, and the tent that like 4 people use, we'll say like P4, okay. So the number of people will be 2P2 because in each tent there will be two number of people, so this number of people will be 2P2, and the number of people in the tent with 4 people will be like 4P4. So this is the number of people, and this is the number of tents. So the number of tents, the sum of the tents was 60, so I can say P2 plus P4 is 60. And the number of people was 202, so 2P2 plus 4P4 is 202. Let's say this we can divide it by 2, so P2 plus 2P4 is 101. If we change this to something like P4 is 60 minus P2, then we can put P4 to here, so we can also put 60 minus P2 to this P4. So P2 plus 2, 60 minus P2 will be 101. And P2 plus 120 minus 2P2 is 101. And minus P2 is minus 19, so P2 will be 19. And because of that, the question is asking exactly how many of the tents were two-person tents. So the answer will be 19.